You want to become the person you see in your imagination. But every time you try, your own mind pulls you back. Have you asked yourself, why does this happen? Why does your brain stop you from doing the very things that can change your life? Today, I'll show you exactly how your mind works and how to beat its psychology so consistency becomes natural, not difficult. Let's begin. Most people think the mind is one big thing, but neuroscientists say the mind has two powerful networks. Number one, the survival mind. This mode loves comfort, hates new things, overthinks, creates doubts, finds excuses, and creates fear. Its job is simple: keep you safe, because success doesn't matter to it. Number two, the growth mind. It is focused, disciplined, loves learning, creative, and long-term thinker. This is the mind you use when you take action on your dreams. But here's the catch. Only one of these minds can stay active at a time. Whenever you try to be consistent, the survival mind wakes up and says, "No, this is too much effort. Let's relax." And suddenly, consistency breaks. But why you lose to your mind? You lose it because you fight the mind with the wrong weapons. You use motivation, inspiration, hype, emotions. But your mind uses patterns, neurochemicals, habit loops, fear responses. You fight emotionally, but your mind fights scientifically. So your mind always wins. Did you notice? Your brain tells you, "Let's start tomorrow." What if it doesn't work? Just 10 minutes of scrolling. This small step won't matter. Your mind repeats these because it wants to protect you from effort. Consistency feels unsafe to the survival mind, so it tries to kill your progress quietly. Now, how to outsmart the mind and build unbreakable consistency? This is where the real transformation starts. Make your actions smaller. Tell your mind your goal is not 1 hour. Your goal is just 10 minutes. Small action creates no fear, and our brain thinks, "Okay, fine, this is easy." And quietly you slip into growth mind mode. This will also give you a start towards it, small but very powerful. Trigger your identity first. Your brain obeys identity more than motivation. So when you start anything, say it before you start. Example, "I am a creator, and creators create daily." Or, "I am a student, and student studies daily." Your identity is much greater than any motivation, so keep telling your mind regularly. Use the dopamine success loop. Every small completed task releases dopamine, and dopamine creates more action, more reward, more action, more reward, and this cycle continues. So start doing small tasks. Break bigger tasks into smaller ones. And this is how consistency becomes automatic. Think and do separately. When you think while doing, your survival mind takes over. So set a rule. Plan first, do later. Never mix both. If you are planning, then just plan. Or if you are executing, then just execute. Do one thing at a time. Break the all or nothing trap. Your brain says, if it's not perfect, don't do it. Replace such things with, do it, even if it's small. Small daily actions create massive identity shifts. That's how new habits are born. And once it becomes your habit, then things change drastically. And in the end, just remember, consistency is not about forcing yourself. It's about understanding your mind. When you understand your mind, you stop fighting yourself. You stop sabotaging yourself. You stop restarting your life again and again. Instead, you start rising. You start rebuilding. You grow every single day. Remember, your mind is powerful, but it is predictable. Learn the psychology and you control the destiny. If you want more deep breakdowns like this, subscribe to SuccessVerse and unlock the real power of your mind. Thank you.